Hey everyone, and welcome. My name is Bubs B, and I'm so happy you stopped on this video. I wanted to give you guys a super treat today. As you know, it is that time of season, okay? The holidays are coming up, and I'm so happy to show you guys this beautiful set from Maxine Jewelry. I do want to thank Maxine Jewelry for partnering with me today on this video and showcasing their gorgeous jewelry that I definitely think you guys should check out. So I just want to go over quickly of what I actually received in this packaging. So when you do receive your package, you will get a jewelry box, okay, that holds your jewelry set, all right, which is super gorgeous. I'm going to give you guys close-ups. You will also get a gift bag. I think that is so cute. If you do want to actually give this to someone, you can easily, put this in your gift bag. Also, it comes with their brochure, their pamphlet that goes over their mission statement, that goes over like how to clean the jewelry, how to keep it neat. It goes over the jewelry process as well. It shows you all their designs. Also, it has a discount code in here, so I'm gonna leave everything down below so you guys can get something off if you would like. Also in the box, it comes with their silver polishing cloth, which is awesome. So what's great about this silver polishing cloth is that it's made of high quality cotton that also has a silver cleaner in it, as well as a tarnish agent. So this is going to be perfect at buffing or shining your jewelry, keeping it sparkling and keeping it lasting, because that anti-tarnish agent is going to prevent, your jewelry from turning or looking dull. Lastly, in the box, it comes with an airtight bag. This is a silver seal bag. When you actually put your jewelry in here, it's actually going to ensure that it prevents oxidation. This is going to be awesome because you don't want your jewelry to tarnish. We don't want that, okay? We want to keep it bright and dazzling. So I'm gonna quickly put on the set. See how beautiful these are, okay? Beautiful, it looks so good. I really do love this set. I love that emerald shape. I just love that shine. I love how amazing this looks. I do love this combination of the wedding band and the engagement ring. I think this is beautiful. This is actually their emerald cut wedding set, and it is in sterling silver. You can customize this set if you would want. I did get it in yellow gold, but you can also get it in white gold if you would want. And the size I received was a 9.5. That actually fits me perfectly. So I really do love this, right? Posing with it. Like I said, it features a large emerald cut. It definitely makes a statement in my eyes. And you can see it definitely has stones around actually where the emerald is, as well as the wedding band. It has stones throughout. This set just definitely sparkles and shine with every twist and turn, and I really do like it. I really do like this. What's great about Maxine Jewelry is that their mission is actually to offer the finest jewelry at an affordable cost. They have jewelry that can transcend from everyday wear to a special occasion. They can customize a jewelry set for you. They can adjust it to your liking, and they just cater their jewelry to you and what your needs are. So I really do appreciate that from them. Thank you so much, Maxine Jewelry, for sending me over this set. I really do like it, and I will definitely be rocking it this season. If you want to get more information on the set I received and also more from Maxine Jewelry, I'm going to leave all the links down below. I'm going to give you a direct link straight to their website, and so you can check out everything they have to offer, from rings to necklaces to signature pieces, or just super simple dainty pieces. Let me know what you thought of this video. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you thought down below, and I'll see you all in the next one.